In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error that says your operating system does not meet the system requirements to run when you try to install or run a program. Method 1. Check your operating system version. Press Windows plus R, type WinVer, and press Enter. Check your Windows version and build number. Make sure it meets the minimum requirements of the software or game you want to run. Method 2. Update your Windows OS. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install all available updates. Restart your PC after updating. Method 3. Change compatibility mode. Right-click the program's setup or shortcut file. Select Properties, Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode 4, and select an earlier version of Windows that meets requirements. Click Apply and OK, then try running the program again. Method 4. Upgrade your operating system if needed. If your current OS version is too old, like Windows 7 or 8, consider upgrading to Windows 10 or 11. Visit the official Microsoft website to download the latest Windows installer. Method 5. Use a virtual machine, advanced option. If you can't upgrade your OS, use virtualization software like VMware or VirtualBox. Install a supported OS version inside the virtual machine and run your program there. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.